Okay, here we go. It's only a little over a mile up to the lodge where I'm going to be staying for the evening. So, one foot in front of the other, let's see how this goes. It's steeper than anything I've ever done in Wisconsin. We don't really have anything this steep, so let's see how my legs like it. I'm not turning back now. Just keep going forward. I'm not sure if anybody's going to be able to tell, but I got a new microphone, so hopefully the audio is a little bit more clear. My plans for today are to take my time, walk up to the lodge, register for my room, leave my pack in my room, get a bite to eat, and then head back down to the falls and walk down the steps at the falls, then walk back up the steps at the falls and take my time and enjoy the scenery and this beautiful, warm day.
Yeah, camera doesn't do this justice. It's okay though. Just thought I'd stop, take a break, smell the roses, or smell myself, I guess.
Yeah, sorry about the huffing. Just getting used to the height and the hills. Hopefully, as my trip goes on, that'll get better. Otherwise, yeah, let's keep going.
So, I'm up here a ways. It was worth it. So we're going up that way, and then we turn to the left, and we look out here. And I started down there. It's not too bad for a big guy from Wisconsin.
Okay, so I'm almost up here to the top and to the lodge. And just because something's hard, or I might be out of breath, or doesn't look like it's fun, I'm not going to cut it out or edit it out. I'm going to put everything in here, even if it's looks like it might suck. I think everybody should know that it's not all fun and games. And yeah, it's work, but it's well worth it. Yeah, so on that same note, I'm also not going to record every single step, every single thing that happens, because there's going to be a lot of stuff that's just plain boring or just continually the same thing. So if I cut something out, it's not because it sucked and I'm just trying to cover it up. It's because it was boring. Yeah, so let's get up here and get registered, and I'll show you my room. So yeah, made it up here to my room, got settled in. It's a pretty decent room. It'll be a nice stay for the evening after being on the train for 2 days and jumping different trains at stations, switching them out. This will be nice to get a nice meal before I go hike down to the waterfall and then go down the stairs. A lot of people down there right now, so I may or may not film. I'm not sure yet. I might just take some pictures and throw them at the end. Okay, so here's an idea of my total ascent. It's not completely accurate because I forgot to hit the button at the bottom, but I was most of the way down when I started it. So as you can see, it's pretty steep. And then we get into some of the food I had at the lodge, which I thought was excellent. It was a little pricey, but it's worth it. It was 2 patties on that bun of pretty good beef, and the fries were amazing. They're beer battered with sea salt, and the view was spectacular. And just the atmosphere alone was great. It was nice to relax, eat, and enjoy myself.